Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another haul. This is a pretty big one. But before I get started, a couple things. I'm part of the Scrapbooking Fun Summit this November and it's on sale right now. You can attend it for free, but you only get the videos for 24 hours. So if you want to have the videos longer than that, when you first click on it, it'll give you 20 minutes at the special price of $39.99, and then after 20 minutes it'll go up to $59.99, and I think once the summit starts it's either $79.99 or $99.99. There is 24 scrapbookers that are going to share layouts and cards and all kinds of fun things. Now the next thing is we have a new digital file. It's called Hiking and Camping. So look at all those digital little cutouts. And with our collections, we also have the Silhouette 3 file. And also we include the blackout. So if you have a Cricut, you can take it from there and make your own file. So this is on sale right now. Now, let's get on to this haul. Ooh, I'm so excited. I got this 49 in Market. Surprise, surprise, right? 49 in Market, the Spice Laser Cut Elements. I didn't get this the last time, so I decided to get that. Look how cute that is. All sorts of cut aparts. And you know, December dailies coming up soon, and I'm not getting a whole bunch of stuff, but I had to get the 49 in Market stuff. So this is Christmas Spectacular. It's the General Laser Cut Elements. Look how cute that is. There's 97 pieces. Then there's the Greenery Laser Cut Elements. And again, all kinds. So that's going to go well in my December daily. Then this here, the Simple Stories, the Holiday Life. Just a sticker sheet. I didn't get the papers or anything. And that will go well. And by the way, I'm going to start my December daily on November 1st this year. Now, this was on sale 20% off, and it's the 12 by 12 Countryside Rub-On Transfer Sheet. Hello, chickens! If you've been following me for a while, you know that I want chickens. So I got that. So when we do get chickens, I'll have little chickens to make pages. Same thing with this. This was 20% off, the 49 and Market. And this is the Sentiments Rub-On. And again, there's chickens on it, so love it. Then I got Simple Story, the 12 by 12 collection kit, the Simple Vintage Berry Fields. How cute is that? We went strawberry picking this summer, so I want to make sure to have like strawberry, elements so that I can make pages of Lexi's first time strawberry picking. So I got that. Then I have a bag full here. Then I got the Spice Wildflower Laser Cut, and it's from that Spice collection, which is like the fallish collection. I think it's their newest collection. That is so cute. We're supposed to go apple picking, and there's pumpkins there, so we'll be taking pictures. And this goes with this collection here, the Simple Vintage Berry Fields. So there's that. I didn't separate anything. Everything's all together. This is the sticker book with this collection. Tons of stickers. Love those sticker books. You get so much bang for your buck, right? Then they also had the bits and pieces. Again, little strawberries. So I want to make sure to make lots of pages. I got a distress storage tin. And you'll see why, because I got a whole bunch of embossing glazes. So I bought the embossing glazes from his first release, and they just released, I think, another 12. So I got a few. So I got aged mahogany, chipped sapphire, which is one of his newest colors, lost shadow, which is a gray, love that gray, twisted citron, love that green, and squeezed lemonade, bundled sage, abandoned coral, crushed olive. This is uncharted mariner. This is a new color too. And lumberjack plaid, which is also a new color. Now I did get the ink pad for lost shadow and the uncharted mariner, the distress inks. I did get those too. And I did get the distress spray stain for uncharted mariner and the refill and the distress paint for the blue. Now, I didn't have the distress spray stain and villainous potion, and I don't have a lot of good purples, so I did get that. And then, ooh, I forgot this. This is the washi tape stickers, which I am obsessed with. And this is for that fall collection. So I am loving those washi tape stickers. There's always butterflies, those clips, flowers, labels, and then whatever the collection is for. So in this case, it's, you know, pumpkins, and then there's words you can take out. Love it. So I got that. Then I got the distress crayons, the new ones that I, didn't have. So this villainous potion, uncharted mariner, and saltwater taffy. So I didn't have those three. Then I was running low on collage medium, so I did get a new collage medium. I don't mind replacing stuff when I have completely finished something and not because it went bad. So this, I'm using it a lot. And this is all I had left. I had bought like a little 3-piece collection and a big one. I finished the big one, and this is what I have left of the little ones. So I don't mind buying something new if it's because I used it. Now there was something new. It's called Grit Paste Snowfall. So I wanted to get some of that for, winter pages. So I got that. Then I got some sanding discs. They fit on these, and to distress your pages and stuff. So it's to put on the blending tool. So there's 10 pieces of that. Then the glue was on sale, 20% off. A glue tube, just wet glue. So I got that. Then again, I'm almost out of texture paste, but didn't have the Tim Holtz one. So I did get this, but it's not very big. And it was kind of expensive. It was $9 for this little thing. So much rather get the Tim Holtz. So I'll use it. And then once I run out, I'll make sure to get the Tim Holtz. Then this is new and exclusive, in their holiday collection. But this is the Distress Mica Stain, and it has Frosty Mint, Wonderland, and Sugary Gumdrop. And it's got some mica in it. So that is it. That is everything that I got. Don't forget to check out the Scrapbooking Fun Summit. I'll have a link in the description box below for that. And also our new digital files at NicoleJones911.com. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.